In organizations, there are a lot of focus on how well we have achieved or performance. But life is not a pie chart or a number. And humans are humans. We are not robots. We need kindness in order to drive, strive, succeed, and create anything. Thus, empathy is a key factor to any kind of success. And luckily, empathy is given by birth. It's something we are born with. And the more we use empathy, the more it grows. Pretty cool, huh? But how can you be more empathetic at work? Don't interrupt mid-sentence. Don't be so quick to judge. Remember, nobody's perfect, not you either. Talk to each other, not about one another. Be aware of your own biases and work with that. And think good of others. Think the best of others. And it sounds really easy, but say hi to everyone. So don't calculate it. Feel it. You have it inside. Work with it. And you know what? You got this. Kindness matters. Thank you.